Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about teaching you the law of attraction and how to manifest the life you desire. If this is your first time here, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Their essay power that runs deeper than effort and is more gentle than persistence. The power of allowing. The moment after you let go, the world doesn't magically become smooth sailing. You'll still face ups and downs, encounter unexpected setbacks, and experience delays and empty spaces that seem incomprehensible. But this time, you start to learn not to rush to change anything. You learn to sit in the present moment and, with a softer heart, allow everything to simply be. We often taught to change our circumstances and never be satisfied with the present. These ideas aren't wrong. They push us to grow. But on the path of creation and manifestation, we sometimes try to overturn our current reality so quickly that we ignore the message hidden within it. I once had a friend who was chronically dissatisfied with his life. He felt his job wasn't ideal. His income was too low, and his relationships were exhausting. Every day he would tell himself, I have to change. I need to create a new reality. But the more he chanted this, the more tired he became. One day, he let go of the anxiety that demanded things get better right now. He decided to do nothing but quietly observe his present moment. He observed the anxious thoughts at work, the complaints that surfaced in traffic, and the desire to escape that arose at night. He didn't blame himself. He just allowed those emotions to exist. Miraculously, as he began to allow instead of resist, the feelings that had trapped him started to loosen their grip. He suddenly noticed that even in the job he disliked, there were things to learn. He started to see the value in that experience. A few months later, a new job opportunity appeared not as an escape, but as something that flowed naturally into his life. The power of allowing comes from trust. Allowing isn't passive acceptance. It's an active form of trust. It's trusting that the universe has its own rhythm and trusting that you will grow at the right time. The language of the universe isn't logic, it's flow. When we're willing to release our habit of control and stop rushing to label things as good or bad, we discover that many moments we thought were missed opportunities were actually paving the way for us. Sometimes what you think you've lost is the universe clearing space for you. Sometimes what you perceive as a delay is the universe recalibrating your frequency. Allowing everything to be as it is aligns you with the universal current. You're no longer swimming against the tide, but are carried by the flow of life toward a wider, more expansive place. When emotions visit, please don't rush to chase them away. Many people think allowing means never feeling angry, anxious, or sad. In fact, it's the opposite. True allowing is letting these emotions come and then letting them go. When you feel anxious, don't scold yourself for being this way again. Try saying to that anxiety, "Thank you for reminding me that I care. When you feel sad, don't rush to distract yourself. Tell yourself, I allow this sadness to be here. It will teach me the depth of love. Emotions are not your enemies. They are messengers from the universe. When you treat every feeling that arises with gentleness, you are clearing the energetic blockages that obstruct the flow. The more you allow yourself to be a person with emotions, the more you become a person with power. Let's try an exercise. Tonight, I invite you to practice this simple yet profound step. First, find a quiet moment. Turn off your phone and let the air settle. Second, ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? You don't need an answer, just awareness. Third, allow it to be there, whether it's anxiety, disappointment, peace, or excitement. You don't need to change it. Finally, say to yourself, I allow this moment to be as it is, because I know that everything is on the right path. This practice may seem simple, but it can slowly transform your relationship with the world. You'll find that the situations that once made you uneasy are no longer so frightening. You'll start to understand that the present moment isn't an enemy, but a mirror reflecting the parts of yourself you need to see. Many people ask, if I allow everything and change nothing, how will I ever achieve my goals? This is a deep question. In truth, allowing isn't about doing nothing. It's about liberating yourself from the energy of resistance, which makes your actions more natural and far more effective. When you allow yourself to rest, you will act at a better time. When you allow things to be temporarily stagnant, you will see a new direction. When you allow yourself to be imperfect, you will more easily fall in love with your true self, and that love is the very seed of miracles. Allowing is the advanced level of trust that comes after letting go. It encourages us not just to stop clinging, but to willingly open to accepting the present, to being curious about the unknown, and to receiving the universe's invitations. Here's my final message for you today. You don't need to constantly chase after something. You just need to be yourself and allow everything to be as it is. When you do this, you'll discover that many things don't require your desperate efforts to change. They will flow toward a better direction on their own. Sometimes the universe is just waiting for you to quiet down, waiting for you to stop anxiously asking, why hasn't it happened yet? And instead, to smile and say, I know it's on its way. In that moment, your frequency is aligned. And miracles, in that quiet space of allowing, will softly draw near. Thank you all for watching today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye.